akoke bulu. If onye metalu nelu akoke bulu. What you sow is what you reap. If onye metalu nelu akoke bulu. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. That's what you sow.
Nene, you're back?
Yes.
Casey, you're back and it's good. Hope no problem.
There's no problem. We did not have lesson today.
Oh! It's okay, go inside and freshen up. Your food is on the table, okay? I'll join you soon.
Dad, you're welcome.
Really? An eye raise is all I get from my most choice daughter? Huh?
Sorry. You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is your mother?
Mom?
Hey.
Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you. You see? Now I'm home.
Really?
Yes.
So, Daddy, it's only Mom that makes you feel at home.
Can you hear that?
Jealous people everywhere.
Just have this. Have this.
Honey, go inside, freshen up while I get your food ready. Don't mind this jealous daughter of yours.
Well, that sounds like a plan. Have this, darling.
Yeah. Dad, what about my own nylon?
Grace, happen no dimaka. Leave my husband alone. When you're done with what you're doing, you come inside. Grace, finish what you're doing and come inside.
Dad, you must tell me what you got from me. I'm coming with you.
Honey, what are you writing?
Well, I will be going to the main market tomorrow.
Again? But you were at my market 3 days ago.
Well, again, you see, God has been blessing us so much lately. And I just want to thank Him again.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. But I'm worried.
Worried about what? That God is blessing us?
No, that's not what I mean.
Okay.
The principal.
Are you having problems with her again?
That same problem. We're still on it. I've been trying to talk to her, but she's been so unreasonable with me.
Okay, would you like me to speak with her on your behalf?
No, honey, you don't need to do that. Don't worry, I'll try and talk to her again today. I don't know why she is insisting that I must do what she wants me to do. She can go ahead and do it without me getting involved. I don't want to get involved in any of that.
It's alright, don't worry, okay? Put your mind at rest. God will see us through.
Amen. Just can't wait.
Calm down, eh? Let me just confide this list, huh?
There should be L, no? For me, okay,
You know, I was actually this. But at least I understand what I'm writing.
Plan a birthday party for you. I don't know, but they usually plan a surprise party for them. No, I don't want a surprise party this time around.
I know what you want.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay, what do I want?
You want a trouser? You know you've been complaining that you want to start wearing trousers.
No, that's not. Oh,
Grace, how are
George.
you?
I'm fine. Good day.
Good day.
George, good afternoon.
Kim, good afternoon. How are you?
Adima.
Grace, how are your parents?
They're fine, thank you.
Okay. I want to go somewhere. I'll see you people later.
Okay.
Ngwan.
Bye-bye.
What? Come back. I want him as my birthday gift.
What?
Yes. He came. I'll be 17 in a few weeks. And I know if I get my parents' permission to have him as a boyfriend, they will allow me.
No. Your mother will kill you. Grace, and your father, he will butcher you. What are you saying?
He came. I know my parents are Christians and they are strict. But they told me if I want anything, I should discuss it with them. I want him.
Your mother will not allow this one. Let's go.
It's fine. You can go to your house. Thank you.
Don't look back again.
I will try not to look back. Bye.
My husband. Hey.
What's okay, me?
You're here?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, fine, Oma. So let me come and
You're welcome.
see you looking all beautiful. Is your husband around?
Yes.
Oh, come on.
Honey,
Oh,
your friend is there.
Uche,
Now,
how are you?
I'm fine, my brother. How are you?
Hey, I'm okay. Welcome.
Yes,
Welcome.
I'm here to eat Sunday rice. We'll go kwa. We'll go kwa nne. You could go and put for me. Put me to like two, you know, strong men like us. We don't eat one meat.
Wait. You actually came to my house this Sunday just to eat Sunday rice. So Uche, my house now looks like a restaurant where people go and eat Sunday rice.
No,
to eat rice.
I would have been knocking door by door with my plate now. Let me go and be begging people.
Please don't mind my husband. Don't worry, let me go inside and get your food.
Okay, and see, the thing is that you know you cook more than other people in this village. You even cook more than the restaurant owners. So what should I do now? And I'm single. What should I do? This is where I'll be coming to enjoy myself. You can see Nkem, my daughter. Nkem cannot cook anything. Sometimes we share the go, or the cabo.
My friend, see, you have to start thinking of getting married. See, you are approaching 40 or 42, I don't know. But you have to start thinking of getting married.
The question should be, I guess rushing me. Have you seen any woman that is after me?
That is because it's your fault.
How?
Your standard is too high. Uche, lower your standard and get married. If not that Nkem's mother left her with you. Seriously, there won't be anybody calling you Papa.
No, I'm here for a Sunday rice. I'm not here for this kind of cripple advice. Your advice is cripple. You could.
Just hold on, let me get stool.
Stew.
No, stool.
You bring only white rice.
No, table now, so that you can use it.
Okay, stool.
Stool, yeah.
Okay, stool. I thought you said you brought white rice. Let you go and bring stool. Oh, you see it.
Let me get you water.
You see how the stool is. From a good wife. In fact, I'm not marrying until I get this kind of wife. I must find somebody like your wife before I get married. Mankana. In the water. Oh, Wanyoma. Until I find a wife like you, I'm not getting married. Leave what your husband is saying. Blabbing. He's just blabbing. Chai,
Uche. Why are you bent on marrying that woman when you know that she actually left you for another man?
Is she still married? Is she not single? When she's single, why won't I marry her? Why is it your problem?
So that is it. Or because she's a widow. Is she the only woman in this village? Are there not more beautiful women everywhere in this village? Why must it be her?
Are they running after me? Tijoke, are they running after me?
Oh.
Are you the one to make choice for me again?
No, you are getting it all wrong. It is you who doesn't want them. See, let me just tell you the truth. You are my friend. I can see small white beards on your cheek. It definitely shows that you are no longer getting young. You are an old man.
That is the
so you have to lower your standard.
Hey, see me see trouble. See me see trouble. Leave me now. This is my choice. She is my choice. I don't want any other woman. So leave me. Let me enjoy my. Why are you having paracetamol on my own headache again? Enna?
Okay, since it's your choice. You remember that today is Sunday. And you did not remember any other place to go and eat Sunday rice. It's in my house. Why didn't you go to your choice's house and eat Sunday rice?
Chijoke, because don't insult me because of umbawa tomato. Umbawa tomato that your wife used to
insult on top my rice.
Rotten tomato that basket is up.
But you licked the plates. Because you finish the rice on top the tin tomato.
Don't, if you want now, go and go check. I'll buy the rice back for you. Don't insult me. What is that? Because of umbawa tomato, rubbish rice.
Each time I try to advise you from this your useless attitude, I don't understand why you find it so difficult to listen to advice.
Don't use food. Anytime you want to advise me, I have big tummy already. Let it not be as if you are the one that fed me till my tummy become protruded.
Next Sunday, go and eat in a house. Go and eat in the widow's house.
Hey, please. I'm okay now. I know my way. Shebi, you came to see me if I know my way from here. Ona. I talk about Mpare.
I've even escorted you long enough.
You can go now.
It's widow. You are getting old though. Relax, don't find the way and save yourself. I'm not eating my rice. Talking nonsense.
Anybody home who is around? George. How are you now?
Mom, you have a visitor.
One is in there. My principal. My love, I'm here to see you. What's wrong? You no longer my baby. Mr. Uche, I've told you I am not interested. I am not interested in being anybody's wife. How long will I tell you that? Me, I'm interested. I want you to be my wife. I am interested. So you have to calm down. Let's do this. That means you have to wait for the rest of your life because I will never be anybody's wife. Zukwanike, why are you like this? Do you think it's easy for me to be coming here all the time for you?
Leave, please.
See, it's because I'm greedy and you wow. That's why.
Leave my house. I said leave.
Relax. See, let me speak the language you will understand. Yeah. Yoruba call it owo. Hausa call it kudi. And Igbo calls it ego. Money. 100 back. Take, it's yours.
So you look me from head to toe. And you think this money is enough for me? Did you see my son? Please, Mr. Uche, I'm too big. This money is not even up to the money I want for my club meeting.
Relax. See, I told you that there's this contract, this building contract. I'm hoping on. Once I get it, I'll just give it. When I get my money is your money. Why you like this? Take it. Your shakara is too much.
It's just that I just want to take this money. It's not as if I need this money because it doesn't mean anything.
I know. I take. It's just that you don't want it. Where shakara?
This money is not enough. It's not anything. It's not as if I need this money. But I need extra 50,000 to complete it for my club. Our end of the year contributions in the club.
Just 50.
Yes.
Don't worry. In the evening. I've been jobless. I'll just run around for you. I'll give you 50.
No problem. Let me keep the money. I'll see you.
Okay, let me join you in the room. Eh? Come back to the room. Let me enter the room.
To do what?
This is 100,000. Take, get out.
Take it out!
Hey, 100. You said I should stay here. 100. Hey. Yes, you. See this life, oh. Love can make you just be stupid, foolish immediately. 100. I gave her 100 and I said, take it, get out. As if she doesn't like the money. 100,000. Some places now with just 3,000. You're inside room already. Now I give you 100. The name a guy. My love, what has in my life? Love wants to make me mad.
You don't look bright. What is it?
I've been fired.
Huh? What? I mean, how? Why would that lady just fire you like that? After so many years of selfless service and hard work? No, sweetheart, you are a civil servant. And there's a process to this thing. Due process for that matter. So she can't just fire you like that.
I know there are processes.
I think it's high time I go and talk to this lady myself. That's it.
Honey, don't worry, I'll deal with it myself. I'll handle it.
So, how do you intend handling it yourself? How?
Honey, I'll try talking to her again. Then if she's being unreasonable with me, then I'll go above her.
This is it. This is it. That is why people keep talking about the corruption in government offices. Look at it. How would she want you to be writing notes for 4 non-existing teachers? And then when you refuse, she decides to serve you the sack later?
Honey, this is bad. Like, I'm not stopping her from stealing from the government. I'm not. She can do whatever she likes, but why does she want me to be part of it? That I cannot do. No, I can't.
No, I think she was actually thinking that you will succumb to the idea of if you can't beat them, you join them. But you cannot join them in doing the wrong thing. This nonsense has to stop. Why would she just... God. This is...
It's okay, honey. Don't let it bother you. Just go back. Meanwhile, what are you doing at home by this time?
I just came home to drop some things I bought from the market. I was about going back to the shop when you came.
It's okay. Don't let it stress you. Just go back to work. By the time you're back, dinner must be ready.
Are you sure you'll be fine?
I'll be fine, honey. It's okay.
See, I can actually go and lock the shop and come back and stay with you.
If you just go, I'll be fine.
Oh.
Yes. You have your key?
Of course, my key is here. Alright, I'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
Hi.
Mrs. Chijoke,
Yes, ma'am.
what are you doing here?
Ma, I've come to plead with you. Please, I can't do what you're asking me to do. And you cannot fire me.
Because you're more righteous than all of us.
Madam, please. You can get other teachers to help you do it. But I won't be part of it.
Other teachers who are pagans, aren't they same Christian as you?
I've told you. You can't fire me. I won't let you.
Are you threatening me?
But madam, you know you're wrong. You're wrong.
Mrs. Chijoke, you will write that note or you get other teachers to help you. Else, you remain fired.
You won't fire me. And I won't write that note. You will have to call me back to work yourself. Else I will go over your head.
Dare you? How dare you walk into my house and stand before me to threaten me? How dare you?
Because I worked too hard. And I won't give up my entitlement without a fight. Don't.
You walk into my compound and stand before me to threaten me. Get out of my house right now. I said get out of my house.
Madam, I have said my piece. Have a beautiful day.
Out! Get out! How dare she? Does she know what I've done to get to this point where I am now? How does she threaten me? Who is she? Who does she think she is? How dare she?
Hey! And on a 2 times 1 2. What is it? Why are you swelling up? Isn't Kine Kelly? What is going on? See, stop this thing. Just tell me, what is it? Who is getting you angry? Put the load on me. Nyam the book and Borogia. Who's getting my love angry? Tell me. Anything, I'll do it for you. See, my love. You know there's nothing I cannot do for you here. I'm less busy. When him now, tell me your problem. Let me solve it. Only.
I think you can help me. In the Hanajukwadu. Which one is you think? When you're not less busy, just tell me what to do, I will do it for you. Only. My love. My baby. See, because of you, that's why they call me Orihuku. Orihuku. So what is it? Tell me. Let me do it.
My husband. Hey, you're here?
How are you?
I'm fine, my husband. You're welcome.
Hey, Allah, what is What are you want to make a goosey soup?
I'm making my
Oh, okay, my hand I go.
How are you now? You're welcome. My husband is not around.
I know. Yes, he was supposed to escort me to one place, one village. And I want to go and ask for a guest hand in marriage.
Ezio! Hey! Chineke! Finally, my prayers have been heard. Oh God.
In a very since.
You're getting married?
Yes.
This me. Hey, is this someone I know?
He's not somebody you know, but I know you will know her very soon. You should know your co-wife.
Anyways, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you so much. Don't worry, I will shock you with the kind of girl I'm bringing.
My husband, I'm coming. Let me check what I have on fire. I'm coming back.
No,
Don't stress yourself. You know,
Go fine. It's our soup now.
I'm coming.
Don't worry, though.
My husband. Shift back a little. Let me drop this. Hey, I'm so happy for you.
You should be happy.
Hey.
You should
so
be
my husband has been aware and he did not tell me.
You like secret. No, you have to complete that song. Start again.
Hey!
Start again, please.
You're my name,
Oh, come on.
Hey, I'm so happy.
Drop this.
No, let me finish. What are you doing?
I told you.
What has come over you?
I told you that your husband will catch us one day. I told you I don't like this thing. All the time you be doing this thing. What is this now? See,
what is what?
See your husband. You see your husband. Why are you not doing this when you know you are married? I don't like all these things. Stop doing
what are you saying?
In fact, I'm leaving here.
What are you saying?
These things you do it all the time. I swear. You had to go. It was your wife, oh! It was your wife! I told her that you catch us one day, and she said she loved me.
My wife? My wife loved you.
That was what she
very
said.
stupid.
Yes, it was your wife, oh! Hey! You joking? He can go mad.
Where are you going to?
Baby,
Get out.
Please now.
Get out of this compound.
You have to listen to me.
Listen.
We're just chatting and all of a sudden he kissed me. I don't know why he did that.
Get out!
Honey, where do you want me to go?
I said, leave this house. Look, I will kill you here. Leave this house.
Daddy, what is happening? Why are you holding mom like that?
Tell this your mother to get out of my house.
What did she do?
Tell this woman to leave my house before I kill her. Tell her.
Where did you want me to go to? Get me to Kanga. Mom, what did you do to Dad? Mother, what did you do to him now? Honey, please, now you have to listen to me. Please. What's happened? You have to listen to me.
Grace, come inside. Come inside and leave this woman. Come inside.
Let's come inside.
I will kill you in this house. Come inside.
You
Before I count 3.
Explain to me what happened.
2.
Honey, leave my daughter alone now. Leave my
Listen, I'll kill you in this house.
You take 2 of us. We'll take 2 of us.
I'll kill you.
Don't
allow me
kill. Take all of us.
Come. Uche, come out and face me like a man. Uche, where's that bastard? Uche, I say come out. Come out. Oh, you've locked your door. Uche, you've locked your door. Uche, I will sit down here and I'll wait until you come out here and tell me how man enough you are. Bastard.
Uncle, what's going on?
Where's your father?
He's not around.
Oh, he's not around. He's on the run. He's running, Abi. Tell that stupid father of yours that he should run as far away from this village as possible. Because if I catch him, he'll be a dead man. I'll kill him. Pass my message to him. Warn your father. Warn him. It's not over. I'm coming back. Warn that stupid man that calls himself your father. If I catch him, he's a dead man.
Calm down.
What you sow is what you reap. If onye metal remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap. Ometalabulu, Ometalabulu. Oke chisi apolo. If onye metalu melu, oke chisi apolo.
Mama, it's okay. I know very soon, Papa will calm down. And you listen to me, Grace. I don't know what to do. I've never seen your father this angry before. I've never seen him this sad. Please, just calm down, please. Please. But I don't know why Ikem's father would do such a thing. My daughter, I don't know. We're going to his house. I'll ask him myself. Why did he do such a thing? My word is finished. My word is finished. Let's go to their house so I find out. Just go. Where's your father? Where's your father? Where is your father?
I don't know. He wasn't at home when I returned from school. But Auntie, what happened? Uncle came here screaming that he will kill her when he sees her.
Okay, I will tell you something. Mother, let's go, please. Her father is not around. Grace, what do I do? What did I do? What wrong did I do to this man? Please. No, let's go, let's go.
Grace, what is he?
Where do I start from? Where do I start from? Where do I start from?
for the weekend. Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace for the weekend. If I never
Papa, Mama has gone to her mother's.
Hey! Grace, please. Do not mention anything related to your mother in this house. Please. I'm not interested. Stop it. If your mother had respect for me and respect for this home, she wouldn't have cheated on me with that useless Uchi of a man. So wherever she wants to stay, let her stay there.
What I don't understand is why your father would do such a thing. I mean, your father and my dad are close friends.
Grace, I will talk to him once he returns. Oh, I will talk to him to calm down.
Okay. Let me start going.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Nkem. Adanne. Adam one. How are you? This one your face is like this with all the part. Huh? Can you hear me?
I'm not fine.
What is it?
Papa, so many people have been coming here to look for you.
To look for me? Why? Is there a problem?
Papa, is it true? Grace told me that you set her mother up.
Was that the story she went to tell them? Eh? Was that the story she cooked up to tell them? Okay. They need to hear my own part of the story too. It's not just her. They need to hear from me too.
Papa, I want to hear it. I want to hear it. What are you saying? Papa, you don't even feel sorry for what you've done.
Sorry for what? Sorry for what? If anybody should be sorry, it should be Chijoke. Yes! Chijoke took her away from me. Ifeoma was supposed to be my wife, but Chijoke took her away from me.
Papa, they got married while they were still in secondary school.
Was I in different secondary school? No, was I in different secondary school? See, let me tell you the full story since they have gotten you involved. I was in JSS 3B with Ifeoma, while Chijoke was in JSS 3E. He left his class all the way from E to B and got my betrothed pregnant. He said, I should be sorry.
But why would she be sleeping with him since she was your girlfriend?
He seduced her. It's obvious. Yes, because I know Ifeoma, she can't just give in just like that. He lured her.
So, Papa, you've been sleeping with your friend's wife all these years. And you don't even feel ashamed of it. What? Papa.
See, there is no shame in love. That is the truth. There is no shame in love. Forget you. Very soon you will know all these things. Forget this your tender age. You are still just a baby. Forget your rapid growth. It was because of this situation that I left my education. I rushed your mother in a very tender age and I got her pregnant. He scattered everything, my education, everything. He scattered my plans in life. And you want me to be ashamed of destroying anything that concerns him? Because you know.
Papa, do you know he has sent his wife out of his house?
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my God. Let me then go and bring her in. Let me bring her in. Thank God. If I have not been violent now, you see, they say the violent take it by force. If I'm not violent now, would I have gotten her back?
Papa, don't tell me you're trying to bring in your friend's wife into this house. Papa, what are you saying?
See, don't worry. You will understand very soon. Just relax. Only you will understand. So where are they? Matcha rice.
Papa, are you truly my father?
I'm truly your bodyguard. What the mini abagogi na brain? Matcha rice, let me give you money for tomato.
What you sow is what you reap. If onye metal remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember.
I've been waiting to hear from you.
Hear what? An adulterous woman like you. Ifoma, to think that you could stoop this low to sleep with your husband's best friend. So you've been sleeping with your husband's best friend all these years. What an immoral act. A shameless thing to do. A woman, a teacher for that matter. It is against our ethics. Now listen. Go to the board. Report me. Then I will tell them that I fired you for immoral behavior.
Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap. If onye metalu, okay pulu. If onye metalu, okay pulu. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked.
Honey, good afternoon.
Informer,
Honey.
what are you doing here?
Honey, please. Let's not allow what Uche did destroy us.
Are you trying to imply that we continue living a lie?
Honey, I've never lied to you. All I told you was the truth. Believe me.
You see, Uche told me that whatever you both had going on has actually been happening for a while now. He was only sorry that you both were carried away and forgot that I was coming home.
Hey! That's a lie! Honey, it's not true. Why would Uche say a thing like that?
Well, I don't know. Probably you're trying to say that I'm the liar now.
Honey, no. I'm not saying you're lying, but it's not true. It never happened.
If what you're saying is true, then why would my supposed best friend lie against my wife when he knows that that lie can actually lead to the end of my marriage? How did you offend him?
Honey, you see that part? I don't even know what to say. But it's not true. Believe me. I've been your wife for years. I can't possibly lie to you. I don't know why he did that.
Can you just please leave my house?
Honey, please. Please. Dad, please forgive me.
Dad, listen. I know Uncle Uche can't lie to you. But you know, Mom can't lie to you either.
Grace, can you just shut up and stay out of this? Huh? Woman, leave this house.
Honey. Mom, why don't he want to listen to you?
Grace. How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine.
Hope you're eating well. Nenugi, look at you. Eat a shagaru, eh?
Yes, I'm eating.
Grace, look at you. Nenugi, eat a shagaru. Please, be eating well, okay? Don't worry, I'll be fine. Before you know it, all these things will go away. I'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
I'll be going now. Take good care of yourself. And your father too.
Take good care of yourself too. Papa.
Where is your father?
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Where is your father?
He's around. Papa! Papa! Oh. You have a visitor.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is it?
How dare you? How can you ask me that when you obviously know what you did? Because of you, my husband has chased me out of his house. Uche, I'm begging you. Please, come and explain everything to my husband. Come and tell him the truth.
What truth? What truth are you talking about? Eh? I should go to your house and tell your husband that you love me and I love you back. Is that the truth you want me to go and tell him?
Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Yes.
How can you say that?
I am crazy. I am crazy, yes. See, I'm madly in love with you if you don't know. What are you saying? Is it because you are even living in lies? We don't have to say the truth again. For mercy, the truth is that I love you. I love you. I love you and I don't even care how people see it. What's wrong with you? Okay, once he sends you out, come into this house. This is your house. Come and live with me.
Are you mad? What has come over you? Uche! What wrong did I do to you? Why are you trying to destroy all I've built these years?
It depends on how you are seeing it. The truth is that I love you. And I don't even know how to stop myself. What's wrong with you? Did I start loving you today? Is it today? Is it today?
Thunder fire both of you. You see this rainy season, thunder will fire you. You, don't come close to my house again, else you will not live to tell the story. Shut up. God punish you, idiot.
I'm saying
God punish you. Don't hear me.
It's the truth, oh.
God punish you there. Don't fire.
I'm just saying the small truth that I know. So it's the truth, oh. Your wife is deeply in love with me and I'm carried away.
Shena, keep quiet. Can you just keep quiet? Which have you not done enough? Why are you destroying what you know you cannot repair? Why? Which I'm begging you for the very last time, please. Please come and tell my husband the truth. I'm begging you. Else I'm going to curse you. My God will rise and fight you.
Curse?
Uche!
What are you saying? Kopro? Do I look like somebody that is not cursed already? See, I have curse. They are on queue like this, waiting to even enter my body. You are saying which curse? Your own curse is even smaller. You are cursing me because I'm in love with you. Do you think that one will work? Kopro, this is your house. Come and live here. This is where you belong. Leave that. What are you even gaining from him?
I've never done anything wrong to you. I've never thought evil towards you. Yet you do me like this. Imemefa, God will judge you. I leave you for God to judge you.
Judgment day. Judgment day is very far. Very far. Come now and take possess your possession or else see judgment. Do you know when to see this one? Because I'm even talking to you. You don't know where you belong. That's the problem you have. You don't know where you belong. Yankem. Principalities and power. From principal to principality. You have to reduce that from sugar. He not at the end. One head in there. One head in there. How is that? One negi. Don't worry, this one knows everything. Why did you go with
George, you're back. How are you? How are you today?
What were you doing with that man? Have you not heard the rumors going around the village?
What rumor? George, have I really fed you enough to make you think you can stand before me to talk? What rumor are you talking about? That he slept with his friend's wife? What does that got to do with it?
How can you even be thinking of marrying a man like that?
I think your size of your height is deceiving you. You're talking to your mother. Mr. Man, I don't have intention of marrying anyone. And I don't think I am answerable to you. By the way, George, what makes you think you can stand before me to question me? Eh? Oh yeah, get inside, go and wash that plate. I said get inside, my man. Go and wash the plate. Go! What am I? This for you. When did you grow to this extent to ask me a question? Wow. Oh my God.
Ifonye metalu, koke bulu. Ifonye metalu, neluwa koke bulu. What you sow is what you reap.
You need to talk to your father and Kim. Talk to him so he can open up and say the truth.
No, I think you should talk to your own mother first.
But your father is the one lying.
No, your mother is the one lying here.
How?
Your mother pretends to be a Christian. Is she not the one married? And yet, when they were caught, instead of her to say the truth, she's still lying.
How dare you?
You slapped me. You slapped me. You slapped me. You slapped me.
Stop that! Jesus! Stop that! It's okay. Why are you fighting? Stop that!
I said,
want to hit
don't
me.
fight there, sister. Why are you fighting? What is your problem? Why are you fighting? Aya, take your bag and go home. Go home. Aya, you said go home. I said you go home. Chidiki.
What you've caused,
I said you go home. Come on, we go home.
Your mother is a sinner.
Yeah, his mother is not a sinner. Aya, go home.
He's a sinner.
Go home. I said you go home. Go home. Get the student. Fight it up. Okay, go home. Take this one, go home. Nonsense. Let go her. I'm fighting all over the community. Nonsense. They send you to school, you come back and be fighting. I'm just mind my business. Grace. What? Grace.
Who's there? Oh, George. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Do you want to come inside?
No. We'll just stay here.
Okay.
Grace, I heard you fought with your best friend in Kem.
I don't want to talk about it.
But you know you shouldn't be fighting your best friend because of your parents.
She started it.
It doesn't matter who started it. But you shouldn't be fighting with your best friend.
You heard.
Yes, and it has nothing to do with you. Whatever is going on between your parents has nothing to do with you.
But she started it.
It doesn't matter who started it. Just don't fight with your friend. You need her now.
It's fine, I will think about it. My birthday is in 2 days' time. And I don't know if I will celebrate it because my parents are not together.
It's fine. I will still be here even if there is no party. I'll come.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good day, ma.
Good evening, Mom.
I think I need to start going.
Wow. We're going to your best friend's house to start to this before your birthday. Let us go. Let's go.
Listen, I can't do this. Let me just go back.
Why? She's your best friend and whatever happened between your parents shouldn't be your business. Let's go.
Here she comes.
Why did you do that?
Because I like you.
Great! Great! Great!
George.
Ma?
Where were you going with that girl?
Walking on the road, talking.
From today, George, I don't want to ever see you with that girl.
Why? Mom, I'm an adult and you cannot dictate for me.
George! Don't try me!
Mom, you bring a man like Mr. Uche into this house and I'm not allowed to walk on the road with Grace. Why?
George, you know, what her mom is.
Just like you know what Mr. Uche is.
George! Come back here! George!
Grace! 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 What? How dare she take my daughter? Is it? How? Red. Grace, there is food in the house. Make sure you eat. And after that, take your drugs. Very important. Okay? I'm going to the shop.
Nkem, what are you still doing here? Are you not supposed to attend your friend's birthday party?
I don't think her parents planned any birthday party for her. All thanks to you, my lovely papa. You've done well. All thanks to you.
Grace. Grace. Hey! Grace! Grace, what? Grace! Grace! Grace, what is wrong with you? Grace! Grace! Grace, what happened to you? Grace! 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 Hey! Grace, what happened?
What is going on here?
I don't know. I think she fell and hit her head on the floor.
Hey! Please excuse us. Grace! Grace! Grace!
Are you sure she's not dead?
My daughter is not dead. I'm taking her to the hospital. Grace!
And you give you for love. Okay, love. It's my.
What are you doing here, Mr. Man?
George,
Are you mad?
You're the reason her parents are no longer together. You're the reason she is dead.
Huh? Dead? Who is dead?
Who is dead?
Grace is dead and it is all your fault.
George, stop it.
See, what are you saying? See, just stop this thing. Today is supposed to be her birthday. You should be talking about celebration. Which one is dead? Because Kotai Hills, I'll leave this joke, please.
If you love her mother so much, why are you not with her? What are you doing here? Mom, tell this man to get out of this house now. Tell him to get out. Please.
George, calm down. Calm down.
In fact, Yo-Yo, let me be on my way. I will come back. You didn't handle the bomb. See, this is your son. You have to be very careful with this boy. Take it easy. My dear, this is very careful. Okay, continue. This is your son. We have to train him. I get him for this boy in a chair.
What are you even doing with him?
George,
Like
calm
this?
down.
What are you doing with him?
Okay, calm down. Wait. Are you saying that Grace is dead? Like dead?
You think I can joke with something like that?
Can you imagine? Let me see now. Before he came to threaten me in my own house. He came to dare me. Kato Miche. Oh, you best news of it.
Chijoke. The cat. Eh? It's okay. The cat. You're a man.
What are you doing here? Have you come here to mock me?
See, Chijoke, my brother, I am sorry. This wasn't my initial plan. I didn't plan it to go this way. I didn't even know anything like this will happen.
Come here, sir.
You just call me. Did I hear you say brother?
It's okay.
Uche, who is your brother?
No matter what, you still remain my brother no matter what. You're still my brother.
Get out of this vicinity.
Uche, you can go. Uche, you can go. Uche, get out of here! It's okay, it's okay.
What am I hearing? What are you saying?
Okay.
Where's my daughter?
What?
Where's my daughter?
What
Leave me alone! Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter?
It's okay. Wait. It's okay. It's okay.
My
It's okay, man.
This cannot be
It's okay.
my daughter was okay. My daughter was doing fine. You cannot take my daughter from me.
Uche, take care of yourself, yeah?
That is not true. You cannot my daughter with my daughter.
Wait, you wound yourself, you wound yourself.
Ifonye metalu, koke bulu. Ifonye metalu nelu, koke bulu. What you sow is what you reap. Ifonye metalu nelu, koke bulu. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap.
I heard you found her.
I went to give her birthday gift.
I could not believe she's dead. I saw her yesterday.
Nobody was there when she fell. And it was her birthday. How could you not be there?
Are you blaming me? It's not my fault.
This was her birthday and I didn't even remember. I should have let her stay with her mother. She will still be alive by now. And I told her I would disown her.
My daughter is gone.
If you hadn't betrayed me and the sacredness of our marital bond, we would have been seated right here, celebrating her birthday party.
You should be ashamed of yourself. If you had trusted me as your wife and not that snake of a friend, my daughter will still be alive and here with me.
What are you still doing here?
You don't ask me that. I will leave when I want to leave.
Well, the burial is over. You can as well leave now.
All she wanted for her birthday was George. But I hugged him to make her angry. Now I can't say I'm sorry.
Nkem? Nkem? Do you think if her parents were not separated that she would have been alive? Nkem?
Yes. She would have been alive. She would have been alive having a birthday party. Even if she fell, there would be someone there to help her. Or better still, take her to the hospital. Papa, you killed her. Papa, it's all your fault. It's all your fault.
How did I kill her? Nkem? Was I the one that pushed her? You're going to
You're here.
Who are you?
I am your guardian angel.
My guardian angel. Yes. Whose house is this?
You're dead.
I'm dead. Is this heaven?
No. This is the in-between. But I'm here to guide you to the other side.
The other side? What if I don't want to go there?
It's not your decision to make. We have only one rule.
One rule?
Yes. Make 3 wishes and they shall be granted unto you.
Just 3 wishes?
Yes. But remember, whatever you do will determine where you will be when you get to the other side.
So anything I say will be granted to me?
Yes.
You said you're my guardian angel?
Yes.
Then how did I end up here?
It's my first time.
So you did a very bad job. Yes. Why did you let me die? I'm just 17 and you allow me to die on the day of my birthday.
I'll make it up to you.
Will you let me go back to my parents?
No, I do not have the power to do that.
And how will you make it up to me?
Make your first wish.
Okay, fine. I would like to attend my burial.
That is not possible. Your burial was 6 months ago.
6 months ago? How?
It took you 6 months to get here.
This is confusing. Oh, okay, it's fine. I would like to know the truth about my mom and Ikem's father.
I'll show you. Come.
My love, what is it? Why are you stressing yourself? Tell me this thing now. Eh? Who trade? I don't know what you're doing. Anakwadoziog. What is going on? Say it now.
Someone threatened to destroy me.
Eh? It's a lie. Which one is someone threatening to destroy you? How can someone threaten to destroy my woman? It can maybe who is that? Tell me who is that?
So don't worry. I don't think you can help me.
How? Which one is you don't think I can help you?
I don't think.
Have you said it first? Say who threatened you. Forget about how I will handle it. Just tell me.
Are you sure?
Just say it now.
Are you sure?
Oh.
It's your friend's wife.
My friend's wife? Which of my friends?
Mrs. Chijoke.
Wait, Ifoma threatened you? How? That one is a cam case now. How can Ifoma threaten you? Ifoma that is a teacher in a school where you are the principal is threatening you. How possible is that?
See, my love, you will not understand. You see, recently I was made a principal and she was expecting that she would be chosen, but the other way around, they gave it to me. And you know, this jealousy, bitterness all over her. So she now started threatening me to expose some things I did. You know, some little things I did.
Things like what? It's like what?
You know, in life, before you become anything, you have to, you know, there are some certain things you have to, you know, cross, you know, and do before you get to where you are.
That one is a normal thing. Everybody does it.
Yes, I know.
Before you become a man or before you rise, you have to step on some toes. You have to. When are they, man?
Of course,
Everybody
does it. But you know, this time around, government will see it that way. And by the time government finds out, I lose my job. And I don't want to lose my job.
You're not losing your job. Don't worry. Informa is don't worry, I'll talk to her. She's my person.
See,
I'll talk
this
to
is
her.
above talking. This is not, it's not a talking matter.
So what do you want me to do?
It's not. What do you want me to do? Seduce her. Eh? Hey, seduce who? Ifeoma. We go put our other side. I cannot. Ifeoma that is like a sister to me. Do you know that I and her husband we've been friends from childhood? We are like left and right like this. And Ifeoma we are talking about is a practicing Christian. That is more reason why it has to be you that would do it. Biko, put our other side though. No. I can't do that one. That's the more reason why it has to be you. I cannot. Where will I even start? How do I seduce you from naked wire to naked wire? You can't go. I cannot. Do what? Ifeoma. That one is like a younger sister. We are like two naked wire. I can't go. There's no way we can match. Okay, what if her husband catches us now? It doesn't matter. Provided the husband believes otherwise. Remember, you see, that is the problem. Every time you come here, you tell me, Abigail this, Abigail that, I want to marry you, I love you, and all that. Just small assignment. Something you can do for love, you can't do. Listen, what did you call small assignment? Let today be the last time I will see you in my house. When you're done, so you can leave. Come now. Principal, what type of assignment? Come. It's not that I'm not. Are you going to do it? Come first, let's discuss this thing.
My husband. Hey, you're here?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine, my husband. You're welcome.
Hey, I'm not chasing you. What are you want to make a goosey soup?
I'm making my
okay, my hand I go.
How are you now? You're welcome. My husband is not around.
I know. Yes, he was supposed to escort me to one place, one village. I want to go and ask for a guest hand in marriage.
Finally, my prayers have been heard. Oh God!
In a very since.
You're getting married?
Yes.
This me. Hey, is this someone I know?
It's not somebody you know, but I know you know her very soon. You should know your co-wife.
Anyways, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you so much. Now, I will shock you with the kind of girl I'm bringing.
My husband, I'm coming. Let me check what I have on fire. I'm coming back.
No,
don't stress yourself.
We're fine. It's our soup now.
I'm coming.
Don't worry, though.
Shift back a little. Let me drop this. Hey, I'm so happy for you.
You should be happy.
Hey.
You should be.
My husband has been aware and he did not tell me.
He likes secret. No, you have to complete that song. Start again.
Hey! God, that's something special.
Start again, please.
You're my name,
Oh, come on.
Hey, I'm so happy.
No,
let me finish.
No, keep it. I want to help you and drop it.
What are you doing?
I told you.
What has come over
I told you that your husband will catch us one day. I told you I don't like this thing. All the time you be doing this thing. What is this now? See me.
What is what?
See your husband. You see your husband. Why are you not doing this when you know you are married? I don't like all these things. Stop doing
What are you saying?
In fact, I'm leaving here.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
These things you do it all the time.
He lied. He lied because of that woman. I told Ikem her father is at fault, but she did not believe because he's her father.
What is your second wish?
I want to make them pay.
What? You shouldn't be going on a revenge rampage. You should think of your future on the other side.
I do not care. I want them to suffer. You said anything I want to be granted to me, right?
Yes.
Good. So I want power to make them pay.
You have only 5 days to do that.
5 days?
Yes. And every skill you need to accomplish your mission is at your disposal.
Fine.
Good.
Where are you? Where are you? Dad, you're here drinking. This is your fault. You should have listened to Mom. You should have believed her when she told you she did not do it. But you went ahead and you trusted your friend. You believed him. Dad. Dad. Angel. Angel, where are you? Where are you? Angel! Where are you?
Why are you screaming?
You're here. I went and I could not find you, which I woke up in. I don't know. I tried calling your name and you did not come.
Just call out.
What name should I call you?
As you did now. Well, I'm here, so how do I help?
Okay. I don't know. I cannot touch anything, but they can see me. How will I make them pay if I don't touch them?
Do you want to make that your last wish?
No. You told me I have everything to make them suffer. So that should be part of my second wish.
Very well then. You may go now. But it will take some time and practice to be perfect.
She's always in a hurry.
type of breeze is this one? Don't you think you could watch all them? Yes. Don't think you should have. Oh, where are you, man? What Nando Camara? Who is there? Cunningham! Who is there? Nkam? Ọ̀hánà na-apụ gị ka ọ gịnị? Ịgbajere m oche, mebe na na-ere rọba seat. O nwere ihe mere gwa m na ndụ ka mara. Abụghị mgbe m nwere na-akọ asịrị aga. Ọ asị o. Ọ asị. Osite ọnwụ. Hey!
Leave me alone.
I am sorry about what I said. You did not cause your friend's death.
You are right. If not for that stupid fight, I could have still been with her. And she will be here. But I didn't go to her house because I know she will never forgive me. I know she will never forgive me for what I did.
But what has the hug got to do with any of this?
Everything. She liked you, you know. But all she wanted for her birthday was to have you. And she was going to ask her parents if she can have a boyfriend. But I hugged you to make her angry, to make her just...
Just calm down. I am sure she must have forgiven you.
No, she haven't. Just leave me alone.
This is sad. And it is all that man's fault.
He's right. It is her father's fault. And it's also his mother's fault. I need to visit them.
Why are you silent now? Say something now. Why are you silent? See, Abigail, I don't understand you. You promised me that you will marry me immediately I finish this assignment. It is over 6 months now. And you are still telling me no. What's going on? I don't want to be single again. Let's do this thing and get married now. This keep your own part of the bargain now. What is going on? I don't want to be coming here. I'm tired of all this parada kind of relationship. Be serious now. Let's do this thing once. What is going on? Huh?
I don't want to marry you.
What do you mean by you don't want to marry me? You don't want to marry me how?
I don't want to marry a man like you, a conscienceless man like you.
A man like me? John is a conscienceless man like me. What do you mean by that?
So you expect me, Abigail, to marry a man who betrayed his best friend and destroyed his life? Amy, my judge, marry you. A conscienceless man that can kill anyone for anything.
Hold on, Abigail. Are you telling me this thing now? But I did all these things for you now. Didn't I do I did all these things because I love you. You know I did it because I love you. So why are you now using it against me?
You did what for love? You love me. You love me. You don't love me. You don't even know what love is. The only thing you have for me is obsession. You're so obsessed with my body that you don't even mind killing anyone, even your own best friend. And you expect me Me, Abigail, to marry you. Sorry, I'm not meant for you.
See, Abigail, see, agreement is agreement too. Agreement is agreement too. Keep your own part of the bargain and stop saying all these things. You promised me that you will marry me. So what are you not trying to do? Because I don't like why here wayo. I don't like here wayo. Concentrate and do this thing the way we planned it. I talk one problem. Oh. You promised to marry me now. You need change here. What is this now? Stop quiet. Oh.
What is it? Who is after you? Eh? Who is after you now?
Only more day exercise. Only more day exercise. I'm exercising my waist. That's all.
What you sow is what you reap. If onye metal n'elu akoke bulu. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap. Ometala bulu. Ometala bulu. If onye metalu, oge jesi abulu. If onye metalu melu, oge jesi abulu. Ebela delia, ebela delia, ebela delia, ebela delia. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap.
What are you waiting for? Show her yourself.
Not yet.
You have only 5 days.
I know. But I want to make the wicked ones suffer first. Then I will make her happy once more.
Mind you, no extra day will be added for you.
I know.
What you sow is what you reap. Remember.
Who is there? Who are you? Show yourself. How are you here?
Confess.
I've done nothing to you. So I have nothing to confess.
Confess, else I will torment you.
I'm not scared of you.
Now I've gotten your attention. Confess. Now I've gotten your attention.
Mom, what is it? I heard you scream.
Me? Scream? No. Then...
Are you okay?
Yes. My body.
Me, what is wrong with you?
Body pain. Go inside.
What is wrong?
I said I'm fine. I go inside.
What is it?
Go inside. Nothing. I'm fine. Go inside.
What is going on?
Grace! You are dead! You are dead! You are dead!
Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Confess. Confess, else you will die.
Abigail! I'm calling my name like that.
Uche, what is it? Why shouting?
I want to confess.
Confess what?
I want to confess. Let me tell everybody.
Wait, are you threatening me now?
I'm not threatening you. It's the girl. The girl is the one threatening me. Grace. Oh, is she appearing to you? She's following me up and down. She said I should go and confess or I will die.
No, don't worry. I've handled that one. Why are you behaving like a woman? Why are you shaking now? I've handled it.
Let me go and tell you.
Come back here. My pastor is coming. I've called my pastor already.
Your pastor is coming.
My pastor.
Hope is strong.
Guinea. In the boss kiba hose. Liquid metal. Odumeje.
It's the sure.
Oh yeah, Zagreb bam bam. Oh yeah, barrier could be 2023. Let's go. Let's go inside and wait for him. He's coming.
Where's your son?
That one I've sent him my way. Let's come.
Let's go inside. I told you.
Who are you people and what are you doing here? Yes. What are you doing here? Keep quiet. Behind the baby,
Abba Father.
If that one can touch me, I'll kill you.
Abba Father.
Hey! Oh! God, eh? Hey! Oh! Oh, come on! Hey! Oh, do that! Oh, do that, man! Hey! Oh, no, no! Behind the baby, Hembo. Oh, yeah, to ride the book, Hembo. Behind the baby, Hembo. Oh, yeah, to ride the book, Hembo. Hey! So, make a fool, no! Yes! Hey! Grace! Grace! I said, appear here! Appear! Grace, where are you? Hey! Guys! Ahead!
What is it? Why are you calling my name?
Today, you shall go back to where you come from. Go back to where you're coming from.
You lie. You call yourself a man of God.
Yes.
Yet you want to cover up their sins. Blasphemy.
Go back. God is God. God is God. Grace, I command you now. Go back to where you're coming from. In the name of Jesus. Jesus. Hey, yes, I'm telling you, eh? By the name of, I am telling you, eh? God is God. God is God.
What the hot?
Hey! Oh, no! 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 Huh? Oh! Huh? Hi! Is this thing? Hi! Yes! Oh, no! No! Hi! 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 Help! Help! Hi!
Is this one a drama or what? Hey. Uche. Uche. I'll kill you in this village. Very soon.
What are your plans?
Do I have to tell you?
No, if you don't want to.
Then it's not your business.
I don't think I like you.
I don't like you either. Yes, you didn't do your job by protecting me.
So you're angry?
Yes, I want to rest. This your appearing and disappearing of the thing is tiring.
I wouldn't know.
So go wherever you want to go. I want to rest.
Fine. You won't be able to sleep, you know.
I never said I want to sleep. All I want is for you to give me space to rest.
Fine.
You should have done your job well by protecting me. I'm sure by now I would have been alive. Confess. 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 I'm giving you 3 hours to do so. If I force it out of your mouth, you shall die.
I'll confess.
The only reason I will let you leave is because of your daughter.
I'll confess.
Confess.
I'll confess.
Confess! Ikem. Ikem.
You are dead. Please stay away from me. Please.
I won't hurt you. How are you doing?
I'm so sorry for everything that I've done. I'm so sorry that I hugged him. I didn't mean it.
I'm not mad at you, Kim. We are friends, remember? Come. No, I'm just come.
Don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt me. I can touch you.
Yes, you can.
Tell me about everything.
It is a long story.
Okay, let's go to my house so you...
No. I don't want to see your father.
I'm going to confess, oh. I am going to confess.
Uche.
She said I have 3 hours, just 3 hours to confess, or she will kill me. And you're telling me not to confess. What are you saying? I'll confess, oh.
Uche, feel, you they do like woman. I say relax, before 3 hours that girl is gone.
How?
Me. So you expect me to sit down in this village and watch that useless girl to come and disgrace me? Me, although possible. I consult to go Medivia. Onye DBC akpọrọ nkụ. Dibia na-eji azụ aga n'abalị.
She gave me 3 hours, but I'm giving you 30
Which
minutes.
3 hours?
If you don't do anything in 30 minutes, I will confess.
That's small girl.
What you sow is what you reap. If onye metal nelu akoke bulu. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap. Ometala bulu. Ometala bulu. If onye metalu, oke chisi ya bulu. If onye metalu melu, oke chisi ya bulu. Ebela delia. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap. If onye metalu, okay pulu. If onye metalu, okay.
Why is he always getting drunk?
That is how he has been ever since you died.
He thinks drinking will resolve his problem.
He said the day you died, he said something terrible to you.
So he gave up on his life because I was gone. Does that mean his life worth nothing?
So what are you going to do about it now?
Well, I'll take care of it once I get your father to confess. You know, that was why I came back.
My father? Confess?
He lied.
But why would he do something like that?
I guess love made him stupid.
But they are best of friends. Why would he do something like that?
It's fine. Don't let it bother you. It's a sin, not yours.
I'm sorry.
I've given him 3 hours to confess. And the only reason I'm sparing his life is because of you.
I can't believe you are here.
So tell me, how was the WAEC?
I'm serious. If anyone should get your father back to his senses, it should be your mother.
She gave up too.
You are angry. You don't used to be so hard on people.
I'm dead, remember? And I'm not happy that I died.
Even at that, you shouldn't be so angry.
Fine. Let's go and see her.
Good afternoon, ma.
Okay.
Ma,
Kedo.
I'm fine, ma. Ma, I was going to your house to see how you are doing.
As you can see, I'm on my way to the farm.
Ma, I'm really sorry about what happened. And for the fact that you are not angry with me.
No, I'm not angry with you. None of that was your fault. Okay?
Okay. Ask her if she's okay.
Ma, are you okay?
As okay as anyone in my condition would be.
Can ask her if she knew my father is drinking lately.
Ma, I went to see Uncle Chijoke.
Okay.
But he was drunk.
Drunk?
Yes.
Again?
He's always drunk nowadays. Always.
Chijoke. Drinking. That's unbelievable.
I think she loves him.
I think so too.
You think so what?
Eh? Ma, that is hard to believe.
Ask her what she's going to do about it.
Ma, what are you going to do about it?
Chijoke. His life is no longer my business. I'll be on my way now.
Okay, ma. Bye-bye.
How will she say a thing like that? Does that mean she does not love him anymore?
She does.
Didn't you know what she said? That my father's life is no longer her business.
I think she's just trying to sound strong.
I don't like this.
Slow down.
ọkwarugo mgbe dịka ji agbawa ọkwa n'ụra chi ohugo onye nwụrụ anwụ si na ọ na-anụ ka ekwe na-akpọ ya mana aja niile ekwe ya megharịa ahụ ọkwa oke ọkpa na aja agụ mmọnwụ eti na ụkọ mmọnwụ njere kenje ochie dị ibe echu aja ọ dịghị onyere ndị mmụọ n'aka
Ye nkwemugu bokota koja akwụkwọ onye agbakwa n'ọsọ. Anakwa na choya nili zuru ọnwụ na-egbu ya. Orugo mgbe anyị na-emodogwu. Mgbe anyị na-eje n'ike Jizọs ga-atebile lọta. Osi kara aka na-ebukwa n'ogidi nwanne m na nke aka wee bụ ogidi anyị jee ya onu. Ọkwa ebukwele elu. Taa!
Ezemo, like, he's not around. The door is locked. He is home, but in a deep sleep.
Palaja gụmọwetinu kọmmanwụ odogwu jiri katakute mmiri ha mesi akala bọnkwụ ha kwụrụ bata wee tụọ nwaanyị ime o jiri mụọ ngwọrọ ndị boko osisi anụ na ebe na-ekwu ogbu dibịa sọ nshi mgbọrọgwụ nshi egbe mgbọrọgwụ anụ na ebe na-ejere ozi ndị gbara ajụ ka nna ajụ ha eje vulikwe dimkpa ekwere ikpekwe na ọwara ya usiri gbekwe na ọwara ya eleni anwụ ite ma gbanyụ ọkụ ọkwụkwụ ji agụ mgbada ejewe ụgwọ ji awago bata ọhịa mgbada chere nwa n'aka. What is her name?
Grace. Obere nshi na-emebi ike. Obere nshi ọ na-emebikwa ike.
Grace! Nwa si na nne ya ama na ụra. A child has said that the mother will not sleep. He shall not sleep. Grace! Grace!
What makes you think you can kill the dead? Now, leave my father's compound.
There is no bond between the dead and the living. You are dead, and you will return to the dead and stay away from the land of the living. Bam!
Leave this place, else you won't like my next move.
Go back! Go now! Go!
Ọkwa spiritual mess up. Spiritual mess up. Spiritual mess up.
I will leave! I will leave!
I thought you said you were going to kill the dead.
No! How can I kill the dead? You are dead already. I will leave if you forgive me, because
I don't want to see you here again.
Oh! Hey! Emma! Emma!
What you sow is what you reap. If onye metal
Hi.
Hi.
I'm sorry about the other day. I took my frustration out on you.
It's fine. I understand.
Do you like her? My friend. Like, or was she some silly girl to you?
Does that matter anymore?
Yes, it does.
I liked her. I wanted to ask her to be my girlfriend, but I was waiting for her to at least finish school. I just wish I told her.
You know, sometimes we think we have all the whole time, but we don't. Anyways, I have to be on my way.
I'll see you around.
Ikem, what was the meaning of that?
I just wanted to know how he feels about you.
I wish he was my boyfriend before I died.
Always leaving without saying goodbye.
Hey! Who is there? Who is that? Hey!
Papa, what is it?
Okay. Do you want to kill me? Do you want to give me heart attack? Eh?
Papa, you need to confess. Yes, you need to confess.
I need to confess what? Eh?
Grace told me everything.
Did you speak with her? Did you see her?
Papa, I'm the only reason she has not killed you yet. Papa, how could you do that? Because of a woman.
I was just in love. Oh. I was deeply in love.
Papa, that is not love. That is not love. Papa, do you know that Mr. Chijoke drink every day? He get drunk every single day. Papa, you need to correct it. You need to.
So what do I do?
You have to go back there and confess. And confess so you'll be free. See what you are doing, Papa.
Godimaka. Biko. Confess what?
Papa, I don't want to lose you. Grace is really angry. She might kill you.
What you sow is what you reap. If onye metalụ n'elu ụwa ka ọ ga-ebulu.
Hey! So it's true. Okay, so it's true.
What are you doing here?
I came to see for myself. Nkem told me you're drunk. And I came to see for myself. So it's true, Chijoke.
Get out. Get out of my house.
How do you think our daughter will feel when she sees you like this?
My daughter is dead. And I killed her.
What?
If only I had allowed her to remain with you, she will still be here, alive. But I killed her.
You feel guilty. I feel guilty as well. Every day I think about 1 million things I would have done right. But you don't see me getting drunk.
Mom, my grace is gone. My daughter is gone.
And getting drunk is your own way of honoring her death. Chijuke.
I have nothing left.
You have your life left.
My life is worthless. Just leave me. Get
I
out.
feel sorry for you. Chijuke, you're not the man I fell in love with. The man I fell in love with was very strong. I'm not a weak, pathetic man like you. I don't want to set my eyes on you again.
Mom, please come back. Mom, come back, please.
I'm not weak. Oh.
Dad, you need to call her back. Dad, call her back.
Leave me, please. Mama, leave me. Leave me. I will confess. I'm going to confess. I am going to confess. Leave that thing. I'm going to confess. And if I don't confess, I will die. So which one is better? If I don't confess, I die.
I don't have that time.
I'll bring another DB.
Eh? You and who is doing that one?
I don't have the time. I'm going to confess. Simple.
Okay, you know what? I'll marry you.
Eh? Which one is you marry me?
I'll marry you.
You and who is talking about marriage? You and who is talking about marriage? I'm no longer couple marriage complete. I'm no longer talking about marriage. You know any couple marriage? Because leave me, John. Let me leave
you will not marry me.
That one is before. I'm no longer interested in any relationship. Because let me go and confess and be free.
Uche.
Those to actually marriage. Because leave me.
Uche. It's me.
See, let me tell you. Let me tell you what you need to know. I just realized that I've been obsessed with you. You've been manipulating me. You used me to destroy another person. Because I cannot marry such wicked person. Because your heart is black.
I don't know you're talking to like this.
Which one is that one?
Okay, you know what? I've agreed. We'll go and confess together. But before that time, I have food I have prepared. Let's go and eat. You don't know what happened to us.
Go and confess your own. Let me go and confess.
Let's eat our last meal.
Leave me alone now.
Please,
let me go.
Please. Okay, please. Let me just go. I also, it's a favorite I made. Let's go and eat together. Yeah, please.
Go and eat. Let me wait for
love.
You. Go and eat. Let me wait for you.
Che, has it gone this bad? It's still me.
Touch what? More than one, we're not same relationship. It's because I love you before. If not, I won't be talking with you, sir.
What's happened?
Why do you call?
Please. Help him, he's dying. He was poisoned.
I'm not his guardian angel.
I know, but we can't leave him yet to die.
Is that your last wish?
No, but it is part of my second wish.
Or you watch him die. What happened? It's either you make it your last wish or watch him die.
Why? But you know you didn't do your job well while protecting me.
You can't say that. Make it your last wish or watch him die.
Fine. My last wish. Let him live. Easy.
Papa, what happened?
My wife is right. This is not me. No, this is not Chijioke. No more. No more of this drinking.
This girl. Stop now, you're wondering me. Can you imagine this small rat? You tell this girl to stop dragging me. I never see this girl dragging me. Uche, you're there. Hey, hello. I don't want. Let me take up all that. Still, I'll flog you. William, yeah, you got one on where? Yeah. Hey!
Why? Because I've got you. Because I've got you.
You come here to go. Oh, Kuala. You can't go Kuala. Oh, Kuala. Oh, wait. You can't go Martinez. Oh, Kuala. Hey, I got one. Oh, Kuala. Oh, Kuala. I will flog you. Oh, Kuala. I will flog you. Hey! I don't want.
Oh, Wala, what is going on here? Eh? Mr. Uche, what is the meaning of this? What is it? Eh?
Your mother tried to kill my father because he wants to go and confess their evil deeds.
What evil deed?
Yes, so. It was your mother's plan that I set my friend's wife up. Everything was a set of orchestrated by your mother.
Eh?
Yes. She tried to kill me.
Grace wanted them to confess, but she refused. Instead of have to confess, she tried to kill my father. Hey.
Which Grace? Is Grace here?
Yes. She's the one with the rope.
Mom, did you do any of this? Eh?
I've worked so hard to get to where I am today. I will not allow anybody to bring me down. Hey. Son, don't worry. See this small chicha, she cannot do anything. See this chicha, cockroach, me bouncy, I will deal with her.
Mom, stop this thing and tell me the truth. Did you ask Mr. Uche to set Grace's mother up?
The answer is yes. She did.
She refused to do what I asked her to do now.
I don't have time for this.
Grace said that we should move.
Please.
Now.
Okay, please. Just tell her to stop dragging my mother. I'll bring her along, please. Tell her.
fine. She said it's fine.
Mom, will you follow me now or should I leave you to her?
Are you begging her? If she does
Get
not
up, let us
her.
go.
Is it me, your mother, you're disgracing like this in public?
Mom, come with
Is
me,
it
let
you're
us
talking
go.
to like
Come,
this?
let us go. Man, move it. Come on, move it. Stop now, stop.
Judge, I preferred
Let us go.
Let's go, please.
You're embarrassing me. Mom, let's go.
Judge, I'm the one that gave birth to you.
Let's go.
Judge, I gave birth to you. You're carrying me like this. Judge, I gave birth to you. I carried you for 9 months. You were sucking my breast.
Let's go.
Judge, I fed you. You sucked breast 2 years, not 1 year. Judge. Judge, I'm embarrassing you.
Hey, move her fast.
You should be strong like me.
Move her fast. Arweme.
Judge, it's me, your mother.
Arweme.
Just go. I
Hey.
gave birth to you. You allow them to insult me like that.
You guys are wasting our time. You guys are wasting our time. Hey.
Carry your mother.
What if I'm wrong? No. If she's in love with Uche as he claimed, why would she come to check up on me when she heard I was drinking? Why was she worried about me, and why is she not living with Uche? No. I think I was wrong.
Let's go. Hey! Very evil. Just go.
No, Judge.
Yes, evil man.
There's no other person who will listen to me. You're my
Even
son.
evil what?
Let's go.
What is going on? It's okay, my brother. I'm sorry. Oh. I'm sorry.
Ewo, Chijoke, I'm sorry, my brother. I'm sorry, oh. It is the devil's work, oh. It is the devil's work.
What is actually happening?
Chijoke, your wife is innocent, oh. Your wife is innocent. Your wife is in no way in love with me. She is never in love with me. Yes, it was planned by Abigail. You know I was in love with Abigail. So she lured me into lying against your wife. She said your wife is jealous of her being the principal. So your wife threatened her. So she said I should lie so that we can distract your wife from keeping to her threat. Yes, everything were lies.
John, why?
Uche, are you trying to tell me that you looked me in the eyes and lied directly to me? Even when you know that that lie can actually ruin my life and my marriage. Hey, I don't have anything to say to all of you. As you can see, I was on my way out.
Allow me to kill this girl. Why now? We are here. Let me kill him. Are you not a man? Keep quiet. Keep quiet. We are here.
Woman, is it true that you asked Mrs. Chijoke to write a lesson note for 4 teachers that do not exist, so that you can be collecting money from government?
It's a normal thing. Happens everywhere. It's just that that woman is acting over righteous and over sabi, and she refused.
Yes or no?
Sire. Yes.
Instead of hiring more teachers, you use the money to enjoy yourself.
They use the money to send their children to private schools, where our brothers and sisters suffer from lack of teachers.
Of course.
Why they enjoy?
You're a wicked woman.
You're
heartless.
You're evil.
Very heartless.
And when she refused, you fired her. And when she want to expose you, you set her up with your boyfriend here, Uche. Eh? Yes or no?
Stop calling that woman my boyfriend. She should have minded her business. That thing there that you call it's not my boyfriend. Not calling my boyfriend. He's a woman. He's a woman. She should have minded her business now and stay away from my thing.
Answer the question. Yes or no?
Speak up.
Yes. Elder, let me ask you. If someone threatens your source of income, if you are in my shoe, what will you do?
Will you shut up here? Are you okay? Huh? After all deliberation, this is our judgment. You are hereby excommunicated from this village.
Yes.
You will not buy or sell, and you will not visit anybody, and nobody will visit you. This is our judgment. Again, anybody sins around you, we pay the sum of 100,000 naira.
Yes, we agree.
And the future, you are stripped off from all your titles, from any gathering in this village. From today, this is our judgment.
Yes, so you are not alone.
Go. You had cast, and we are going to report your mother to educational board. What?
Mama Rolana, you won't. Yes. You won't try it.
You shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
You won't try it. Don't say that one.
You know me. I must report it.
You won't hear me.
I will do that.
You don't say that one. Let's stop this.
To deal with all of you.
Shut up.
Don't you like money?
You will see.
No, can you?
You will see. I will report it.
Stop the chin on. They think I care. I don't care. I chop that nut. If they like, let them ostracize me for 20 years. I don't care. As long as nobody will report me. It's not possible. I will never. Come. What's going on? Where are you going?
I'm leaving.
Leaving? To where?
Anywhere, but I can't stay here anymore.
Why?
What kind of a woman are you? You destroyed someone's home and indirectly caused the death of their child. Instead of you to be remorseful, you tried to commit suicide to cover up. Even now, no remorse.
Why? Why did I even listen? Is it because I look young and you're big like this? It's my food. I carried you here for 9 months. Why can't you behave like me for once? George, listen, let me tell you something. In this life, you must never ever regret anything. You see all these men that you see that have money everywhere, they all stepped on toes to be where they are today. Behave like me now. What kind of son are you?
Well, have a good life, mother.
What do you mean? Come back here. Come back here. Where are you going? And when am I going to see you again?
I don't know.
Look up! George! Come back here! Come back here! Can you this voice in Ottawa? 9 months! You don't look like your mother at all! You behave like your mother. You should be wise! You should be wise and smart! I chopped that snot! Let them go and let them even take you away. I don't care. I don't want to even see you. Nela, dera.
Chijoke, I heard your friend has confessed.
Yes, he did. I'm sorry I didn't trust you.
I also heard it was Grace, my daughter, that forced him to confess.
Of course. Grace did. Please, Ivama, will you forgive me?
Chijoke, I don't know. I don't know.
I was actually coming to your place. I am sorry for everything. I let my ego take the better part of me. I am sorry, please. Ifeoma!
What you sow is what you reap. If onye metalụ n'elu akoke bulu. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. 'Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace Cause what you sow is what you reap. Ometalabulu.
I'm ready, let's go.
Okay. You did not reveal yourself to your parents. Why?
If I have done that, they won't let me go for the second time.
Or you're the one who is not ready?
It does not matter. Let's go.
Anyways, what would have been your last wish?
Does it matter?
It does. You threw away your last wish just to save somebody. Someone who hurts you.
Listen, he's my best friend father. And he was once a good man. That's why I did it.
Anyways, the council were impressed. So they awarded you an extra bonus wish.
What is extra bonus wish?
You get another bonus for free.
So anything I want now will be granted?
Yes, anything.
I would like to have my first kiss.
What?
You said anything.
That is impossible.
How?
You have to be human before you'll be able to experience it.
So?
Anyway, you have to take it to the council. Yes, they will decide if your last wish will be granted or not.
So how can I get to the council?
I'll take you.
What you sow is what you reap. If onye metalu n'elu akoke bulu. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap. Ometalabulu. Ometalabulu. If onye metalu oge jesi abulu. If onye metalu melu oge jesi abulu. Ebela delia. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap. Remember, there's no peace for the wicked. Cause what you sow is what you reap. If onye metalu oke bulu.